Looking for a durable wooden panel door for your modular kitchen or windows, but on a budget? Today, we'll show you the best wooden panel doors under 1000 rupaye, direct from our factory in Kolkata, West Bengal. These premium quality doors are made from solid wood and water-resistant plywood designed perfectly for kitchens, bathrooms, and windows. Each piece is machine finished for smooth texture and long life at just 1000 rupaye per door. Our expert carpenters and interior team at Kolkata Interior ensure every door fits perfectly and matches your modular kitchen or interior theme. You can choose from any wood, plywood materials, all customizable according to your home or commercial needs. Compared to market prices of 2500 rupaye to 3000 rupaye, our factory direct price starts at just 1000 rupaye. That's more than 60% savings with the same premium quality and finish. So why wait? Visit Kolkata Interior, your trusted door and window manufacturer in Kolkata, West Bengal. Factory price, custom design, free 3D consultation. Whether you are designing a new kitchen, renovating a flat, or setting up a commercial space, our doors and windows add that elegant wooden touch at the lowest cost in Kolkata.